How to make money on YouTube without making videos in 7 days. Step number 1. Download the video. Step number 2. Upload the video. Step number 3. Earn money and let's break the bank. Do you want to make $10,000 every month on YouTube without actually making videos? You might be thinking it's a hard nut to crack. Well, it isn't. With this simplest method ever, you can literally earn such a bombastic figure of dollars within no time. No, you don't need any specialized skills, and of course you don't need to run ads. That's just weird, you know. You can never be this rich with just ad revenue, so forget it. Today, we're gonna compel you to skip your 9-to-5 jobs and earn much more than your expectations without putting in the effort. Also, no need to go anywhere, simply work from home. Now, how is that possible? Come with me. I'll show you how to start it step by step. Let's start practicing. Hold on, how could we skip the biggest giveaway? Here's a chance to win a monetized channel. Yes, that's true. You can find further details on Instagram under the same name, Cash Cow Creators. For this, you've got to subscribe to our channel and write I subscribed. That's it. Now let's get straight into the video. Step number 1. Okay, first of all, we'll go to YouTube and search out your keyword or any other, let's say cooking. Let's scroll down. Oh my god. Can you see the millions of views? Alright, that's incredible, guys. It's a hot niche. Or you can search out any other hot niche, like workout or traveling or anything like that. Now, you're not gonna make videos like this or put in so much effort into buying the ingredients, creating a setup, and shooting such cooking videos. Don't worry, even if you're bad at cooking, just like me. That's a relief. Alright, what to do then? Go to the filters and select Creative Commons under Features column. If you play this video, you can check out in the description that the owner of the video has given you the license to reuse their videos, which means you can simply download and re-upload their videos exactly how they are and make massive income. Step number 2. Firstly, copy the URL of the video straight away and then go to Google's search bar. Here, you have to search out the authentic YouTube downloader, so write YouTube downloader and go to the Y2Mate website. The reason why we choose this site is that the site is easy to use and here you can download the videos for free. Also, there you won't have any headaches or long procedures. Paste the link and click on the Start button. You can see it'll give you many options according to the file size and quality. Click on the Convert icon and you will be getting a download option in return. Click again to download the video and see, it starts downloading. Then go back to the YouTube page, move your cursor to the top right, click here to upload the video. Simply drag your downloaded video to YouTube and it will start uploading. Now, if you're already running a channel, tell me in the comment section below how much do you earn from ads? Or let me ask, if you haven't completed 1,000 subscribers yet, isn't it backbreaking to wait for 1,000 subscribers to be completed and we'll get ad revenue, which is also not sufficient? Or what if I tell you there's another trick to increasing your income, like 7 to 8 times more than ad revenue? Or you can say that's another addition to your income. Come, let's see how. Step 3. In this step, open Google Chrome and search for, let's say, 10 most popular recipes New York Times. Alright, so here you can see that there are a bunch of options, but we'll go to this one. 10 of our most popular recipes right now. The time you click on this, you'll see there are many famous and trending recipes in the New York Times these days. Let's start with peach cobbler. I suggest you first open Vidic and let's explore its score. Open the new tab, go search for Vidic, sign up here, write the keyword peach cobbler and press enter. Here you go. As you can see, its search volume is more than 38,000, which is just amazing. This would be perfect. Now copy the name Peach Cobbler and open up your Google Docs. If you have already made a Google account, it would open immediately and is for free. Click on the blank page and paste your keyword, or you can say recipe number 1 here, that is peach cobbler. Now simply copy or rewrite the ingredients and preparation steps and suggest any title, like recipe number 1. Go to the sharing option on the top right and get the link. Also, don't forget to change the status from restricted to anyone with the link. Now let's go to Google again and write Shrink Earn. Many of you might have some knowledge of this link shortening website. In case you don't know, let me explain it to you first, as I'm going to show you the exact method of earning 7 to 8 times more than your ad revenues. So stick to the video until the end. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it right now and make sure to hit the bell icon as well as the like button. So we'll keep bringing such shortcuts and fast money-making tips only for you guys. Shrink Earn is basically a URL shortener to make money. It creates short links for us, and when we get the required audience, it pays in return. But the thing is, how to work on it and how much does it pay in return? Let me explain step by step. For checking out the pay rates, you can simply click on Publisher Rates and see the pay rate according to each country per 1,000 views. If your visitors are from Greenland, then you'll be getting $20 per 1,000 views, which is really amazing. If it's from Gibraltar, UK, Canada, US, then the rate would be $7 and so on. Let's see how it works. Simply go to shrinkearn.com and sign up here. Well, you don't have to dodge a bullet really. That's so easy guys, follow me. Firstly, go to the signing up option and write your username, email address, and write a password. And rewrite your password to confirm it. Then click on I am not a robot and tick the box when you agree to all the terms and conditions. Simply register yourself by clicking on the register option. Then yeah, here you go. Now here, you'll be directed straight towards your dashboard where you can see all the stats. As you can see, there are different columns like your total views, the total number of earnings, and referral earnings and average CPM. Step 4. Let's move towards our final step, and that is, how can we earn from Shrink Earn? Right? Did you copy the link to your first recipe? Have you saved it? It's time to use that link here. Go to the new shorten link, paste your URL and click on the shorten. Within a few moments, you can see it'll provide you with the new short link. It's just perfect. Now copy this new short link and go to the description of your video. Write 10 of our most popular recipes right now and paste the link. Make it bold or highlighted by adding backhand index pointing right. Likewise, write down the other 9 recipes, create shortened links with the help of Shrink Earn and paste them in the description box. Now, you have to write down a proper title, SEO tags, and authentic description by using exact and top ranking keywords. Make sure the keywords you are using in title, tags, and description are the same. No, that's not the end. You have to upload at least 33 videos based on the same pattern. For better results, use the similar metadata strategy for all the rest of the videos. That's all about today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and we would love to hear your experience in making some extra money with these tips. If you guys have any queries, contact us here in the comment section or reach us on Instagram. We'll be back with more. Until then, stay tuned.